you thought the coronavirus was bad, just wait until you hear this. There is a brand new virus that has just been discovered in China. A 41-year-old man from China is the first human being to be confirmed with a case of the very rare bird flu. Doctors are trying to keep the virus under control and figure out how the man contracted it in the first place. However, if this virus cannot be contained, it will cause similar symptoms to that of COVID, including respiratory issues, sore throats, and even coughing. Fingers crossed that they get it under control before it's too late.